Hey everyone, it's Susie. Welcome to my channel, Dragonfly Bees Resale Journey. In this video, I am going to be unboxing another Goodwill Bluebox 5-pound repurposed jewelry box. And this is one of two. And I thought it came from Nashville, Tennessee, but I was wrong. It's from Kingsport, Tennessee. Has anyone ever received a box from Kingsport? This is the first time I am. And so I took one of the boxes out, and look at it. It's kind of bulging, isn't it? So, I'm pretty excited. So let's open this up and see what I have. I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever heard anyone mention getting a box from Kingsport. So this is oh gosh, this is going to be interesting. Okay, here we go. First looks. I'll sort through it and we'll go over everything. Ooh, in time for Christmas. All right. Be right back. All right, looking through this particular lot, it seems to be more so of a kid's lot. There's a lot of little tiny bracelets. There's all these kid jewelry. There's 4 pairs of these, brand new on card. They're like footballs with pom-poms. There's this Justice choker with the letter K that is a mood choker. So this K will turn different colors depending on how the person who wears it feels. There's 20 pairs of Claire's. This here is all craft. It's a lot. And this here is necklaces, and they're completely plastic. And this one, let's see, yeah, these are bracelets and even a picture frame. So, all right, now that you know what Kingsport has to offer, let's go through it. Okay, grab some of those acrylic necklaces. This one here, milk chocolate balls. They have like a swirly design in them, and there's these honey colored beads in between. It's double strand. I mean, the beads are nice. They feel, you know, they feel soft. But the I gotta say, this chain along with the lobster clasp, there is wear. This chain is completely copper. I guess it's supposed to be copper tone. And there's the lobster claw. It's wearable. So let's measure the drop. I kind of like the color. This one here has a drop of 7.5 inches. So we have that. This one here is a vintage acrylic purple. Look at this design here. Very unusual. Let me bring you in. It's like a puzzle. And then you have these like capsules. And there's that silver tone spring ring clasp. You see the thread sticking out? So we have this. There's the back side. I like the way they all like fall together. Okay, neatened it out. Let's see. This one has a drop of, I would say 9.25 inches. So we have that. This one, this color is so pretty. It's like a peachy sherbet. There's some swirly designs in the beads. There's like an ivory bead and a gold tone bead in between. What would you call this shape? It's kind of fun. This one has a nice gold tone barrel clasp. Very clean. This one's nice. And yeah, I like it. I like the color. So let's measure the drop on this one. And this one is about 8 inches. Next up is this gray, mauve-y, purple, gumbo-like necklace with silver tone spacers. This has a okay, this has a lobster claw as well as an extender, and it's in this antiqued gold wash tone. And let's see, right now, let me place the clasp at the loop without the extender and see what the drop is on this one. Let's see. This one has a drop of about 8 1/4 inches. And then next we have this teal. It's a very pretty teal color. It's made up of these square discs that are turned sideways, and they're all connected. There is a spring ring clasp. Notice all these vintage necklaces always have some kind of thread sticking out over there. This needs a good wiping. But I love this color. It looks to be in nice condition. So let's measure the drop on this one. This one seems, I don't know, pretty long, maybe about 11. Let's guess. No, this one is about 10 1/2. So we have these necklaces from Kingsport. Next up, we have some silver tone necklaces. This one, quite a long one. This has a 13-inch drop. A nice, I have to say, the chain's very nice. It's very clean. This pendant has a acrylic blue cabochon center, and then these polished, I guess they're supposed to be feathers hanging off of it. There's the back side. So we have this. Next one, probably by the same maker. I mean, there is no maker's mark on these pieces, but this one here has an interesting tassel. There's a orange enamel triangle, then you have these beads, and then you have detailed feathers hanging off on a silver tone chain. This also has a lobster clasp, but this is a bit shorter. This has an 11 1/2 inch drop. This had a 13-inch. This here is a silver tone toggle necklace with a nice solid heart pendant or charm hanging off. They're elongated loops, and this has a little weight to it, I have to say. This is nice. It is magnetic, and the drop on this one, when I measure it like so, is 9 inches. Next we have this, there's still a tag on it. It's just a barcode. This is a silver tone snake chain. Has an extender, and hanging off of it is this enamel purple butterfly, and there's a little butterfly on its wing. You know what? Is it missing a rhinestone? It is. It's missing a rhinestone right there on the top. Oh well. Okay. And then lastly is this one. Oh, this has a drop of 8 inches. The next one has a drop of 8.5 inches. This is on a silver tone chain as well. This has some detailing on it. There is a lobster claw and a very dainty little, kind of like a star, right? It has some rhinestones in an X pattern and also one in the center. There's the back side. Oh, and there's a chain. All right. We have these. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. I found this in the box. Oh, this is a brand new necklace. Let's see what it says. New with tag. Retails for $60. Genuine leather. White House Black Market. Part of Chico's. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, this says White House Black Market. The initials going down the bar. It came wrapped like this. So I guess I have to remove this tape. I'll remove the tape. Ooh, look at this. What a pretty gold tone tassel. There's a knot in it, and that can be, I'll remove that. Alright, so this is a tassel necklace that has a leather strap. Oh, it has rhinestones right there. It has this really nice, kind of like a Cuban chain. And look at these crystals. Wow. And it goes all around. This is pretty. Okay, so half of the necklace is the chain, and part of the other side is the leather. And the leather also has these gold studs, and then the middle one has some rhinestones in it. And then going up the neckline, you have the lobster claw closure and a really long extender. Oh, this is, thank goodness for this. Yeah, this is something else. All right, let me measure the drop on this one without the extender. It looks pretty long. Let's see. It's about, wow, a little more than 15 inches down to here. And then this tassel goes up to 4.5 inches. So it's about 19.5 inches long, this entire necklace, drop wise. And then you do have a very long extender, which is 3.5 inches long. So you have this what is it, White House Black Market, brand new with tag, gold tone, rhinestone, tassel necklace. really quite sweet, I have to say. I love that feel of this tassel. It's like a waterfall. It just cascades down. Well, this is the last of the necklaces in this box, and there was even one on new with card, but this is going in the craft lot. This is a set. It's on a memory wire. No, illusion wire. That's it, illusion. And then unfortunately, this must be quite old because, you know, when I touch these matte green beads, they have like a sticky residue to them. So, no. All right. This one here is a brown seed bead and wooden bead necklace. And it has these, what would you call these? I don't know. They're pearl-like. Are these blister pearls? I don't know. They are shell. Very organic. Let's see what it's finished off with. Silver tone lobster clasp. Oh, this is made by Claire's. So we have a Claire's necklace. Okay, train going by. Oh, this has a drop of, wow, it's short, maybe 6.5 inches. There's an extender though. Now the next one's really, I think it's super sweet. I don't know, I remember seeing like a ivory white version of this, maybe in my aunt's house or something when I was a kid. But look at them. They're carved roses. And there's some gold tone bead spacers in between. There's hints of purple, green, red, blue, and yellow. And then some were left plain. This vintage necklace doesn't seem to have a clasp, so it's something that you just place over your head. And looking at the length of this, I'm sure it's long enough to even double, because it measures about 20, almost 25 inches, and it seems to be in nice condition. Now the next one, I like this one. I like this one. It looks like, they look like flames. It's in this kind of like a honey amber tone, swirly, twisted design on the bead. And then you have these gold tone open work, almost like a filigree bead in between. Is there a closure on this one? Let's see. Let's see. Yes, there it is. There's a gold tone spring ring clasp. I like this one. Kind of looks like candy too, right? So let's measure the drop on this one. This one is 15 inches in drop. So we have that. Okay. This one will be a craft lot item. It's one of those bauble mini statement necklaces. There's wear. This one is a stretch. Why is this stretch? Yeah, it's stretch. Stretch is good. Pink beads with the little Hello Kitty pendant. And this is by Sanrio. So it's authentic Hello Kitty. And then here's a silver tone chain that I found with the lobster claw, and there's pendants on it. One says I love you, in the circle, and there's a moon that says to the moon and back, right? Yeah, to the moon and back. And the nice thing about it is the moon fits perfectly around that circle. So I thought this was sweet. It's clean, it's nice. So let me measure the drop on this one too. So 8.5, and there's a little extender whereby you can, oh, with loops on it, whereby you can lengthen it. So yeah, this is the last of the necklaces. So let's look at those bracelets that I showed you earlier. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, here is pretty much what's left in the box. All the earrings I placed into the craft lot. Most of them were inexpensive or just, yeah. Or single earrings. Yes, that's what I meant to say. So, all right, let's go over what we have here. This one, nice little bracelet. It has kind of like a frosted bead in this pretty pink color, and they're glass. There's some little sparkly glittery beads, and also look at these leaves, the end caps. They have little silver tone leaf motifs, and then there's some seed beads too. Let's see, this looks pretty short. It has a charm hanging off of it, which is a heart, and there's also this one dangling bead. Not much of an extender, so let's measure the length of this. This is only, wow, like 6¼ inches. And then with the extender, it's like 6¾ Those frosted beads have like this design going through them. All right, so we have that. This is a leather snap bracelet. It's amazing how they make these flowers out of leather, and I guess they dye them. 2 flowers, leaves on either side. Oh, it's kind of worn. There's 2 snaps, so it is slightly adjustable. Let's see. This one is about 7 or 7.5. Pretty cute. Here's another one. Here's another snap bracelet. This is purposely distressed. It has a silver tone medallion and a faux well, I guess it's howlite, yeah. This has 2 snaps. It is marked 452B, genuine leather. Oh, and there's a sticker that says made in China. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's measure the length of this one. So let's see. If I measure up to the snap, like the middle of that snap, up to here, it's a 7.5 or 8.5 maybe. Yeah. So we have this. This is it's a dyed shell stretch bracelet. The stretch is okay. What's this? This actually feels like metal, and then it has like this scratch design on it, and then there's it's wrapped in like a denim. And then you have these beads, and some of them are semi-precious, some of them are seed beads. And then you have this big stone, which is, this is a stone. It's attached in the center. There's a hole in the middle. Yeah. Some bugle beads too. Very unique. Look at this. I did see a sticker, so let's see what that says. Semi-precious accents made in Thailand. It had a price of $59. You see all the stitching? It's very crudely done. Huh. Look at that. Even the denim is fraying. That could be trimmed off. Oh gosh. But I like it. It's pretty unique. I like unique. Okay, let's measure. Let's measure this one. I'll do it that way. And this one measures approximately, yeah, this is small. It's like 6 3/4. A little past 6 1/2. So we have that. Okay, this is a big stretch bracelet, and it's going to craft. One of the elastic cords came out. This is a post earring. In fact, there are 2 earrings. So you have one stud, and then you have this. It says Marisol. Oh, I like this color. Good stretch. Very pretty beads. Frosted and like a iridescent champagne color. And it has a simple silver tone curved tube. Is a ring. A lot of copper. See that? Rhinestones. There you go. There's the copper. It's sticking out. But let's measure the size. And this one is about, wow, it's about an 8. The bottom band is copper, and the top is a little bit too. Okay. That's pretty. It's cute. Next we have this, oh, look at this bangle. It's clear, and it's glittery. Like a gold tone, coppery glitter on the inside, clear on the outside, glittery on the outside, and there's rhinestones. Oh, this is very cute. I like this one. I like this one. So depending on how you look at it, it's clear or it's glitter. Clear, glitter. Okay. Let's measure the circumference of this one. This one measures about 8 inches. I like this. So we have that. Here's another. Wow, this is heavy. What kind of metal is this? Brass? If it is, it's very clean. And it's got that hammered look to it. Okay. Let's measure this one then. It's about This is about, you know, it's not quite a 8, but almost. This is heavy. And it's in nice condition too. Okay, what is this? This feels like a glass amber tone. Like a dome. Oh, it's a pendant. This is a pendant. Oh, okay. And it's like encaged in this wire, and the wire is all twisted to form. I like this, to form this design. It's a very cool pendant. Huh. It kind of looks like a person. I'm seeing things. You see the legs and the arms and the head and the belly. So we have that. And it's a pretty good size. Now we have a ring. It's a stretch ring. It's pretty nice. Silver tone. I don't see much wear. It looks to be in nice condition. The stone is very different. You know, you don't normally see this color. So we have that. Here's another ring. Oh, okay. This is silver. Silver. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see if there's any marks. Yeah, there's a mark right there. That says 925, so we're gonna have to test this one. And in the meantime, let's see how big it is. It is, wow, this is about 8 3/4. So we'll test that. This is one earring. Oh, I think I took this out because it wasn't magnetic, so we'll test that. Oh, here, look at this little locket. It's a pendant. Very delicate little locket. It has some like diamond cuts in it. It's a satin tone, and then it's polished on one corner. You open it up, and there. The back is like a satiny gold tone finish. And there's a mark on it. Is that a mark? Let's see. Is that a mark of some sort? Okay, you look at that real quickly. It does say something that I can't read. Oh gosh. 14 karat gold filled PPC. 14 karat gold filled PPC. Okay. And found 3 of these. Isn't that pretty? Look at those facets and the rhinestones, and then you have these 2. They're buttons for, I don't know, I think they're like this bracelet that uses these buttons. Oh, ginger snaps, that's it. It's called ginger snaps. So this is a ginger snap. This one has no name. And this one has an M on it. Okay, so we have those. Then I found a turtle. Look at this turtle! What's it say on there? What does that say? You know what? It says China. It's like a resin, but let's see. How do you wear him? There it is. You see the hole right underneath his eye? And it goes all the way through. So I guess you can put this on a cord. But he's kind of cute. Maybe you gotta wipe that little dirt off of him. But I think he's a cute little turtle. See his little face? Maybe not. It's kind of dark. But he does have eyes. And then here's that picture frame. The angel. It's got a rose center, a rhinestone head. And you know what? There's rhinestones all around the frame and they're all there. And it's on a ribbon. And this looks to be in great condition. So I guess this is like a picture ornament, perhaps? Maybe. And then lastly is this coin. This is super heavy. I've gotten coins like this before, but not this particular one. And this is the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, Transportation Security Administration, which is the TSA, U.S. Department of Homeland Security. It's Western Tennessee, Memphis, Air, Highway, and Rail. And I think I saw something here. I'm not sure what that says. It says NWT Mint. So I guess that's where it was created. I don't know. So yeah, this is something I'll look up. And yeah, there are coin collectors out there, and this is a special one for our country. All right, so I think that's it. Okay, let's test the ring. And the cross. And see what we have. Okay, the ring is in fact sterling silver. Wow, that's great. And this is not. Okay, I'm happy about the ring. Well, that's a wrap for this Goodwill Bluebox from Kingsport, Tennessee. 5-pound repurposed jewelry box. If there is anything that you would like to purchase, email me at dragonflybees@gmail.com. And the instructions are in the beginning of my video after my introduction, as well as below in the description box. I always add information in the description box of all the videos. I also include a sold list in the comment section, which I pin. So yeah, tell me what you think of Kingsport. I was happy about the ring. I was happy about the brand new White House Black Market necklace. I did like this. I thought that was really pretty. And this was very unique. Let's see. But like I said, the lot was really mostly craft, which is fine because these are repurposed boxes. You win some, you lose some, right? So I can't complain. The past few boxes have been pretty nice, and I'll be opening up the second box from Kingsport very soon. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a like, click that thumbs up button, and make sure you ring the bell, and that way you'll be alerted. If you choose all, you'll be alerted when I post new content. So thank you everyone so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.